Yeah guys, welcome back to another video here from London. Today is Sunday, pretty boring day to be honest, and the weather is poor as well. It's a bit cloudy, looks like it's gonna rain, I'm not too sure, but yeah. So I am in Canary Wharf, which is, as you guys can see, that's the Canary Wharf station over there. There are a lot more to see here. There was another DLR line over here, so there are plenty of transportation to get here. And this is another bridge, which is where you can take DLR. It's quite a big place. We just go around and see what we can capture on this video. So stay with me. I'm guessing we have reached the financial capital of London. Basically, this is Canary Wharf. As you can see around, big buildings, restaurants and bars and pubs. What I'm going to do is, I don't know where to start. So I need to make sure that's the, as you can see there, that's the Canada place, which is I'm guessing it's a mall. It's quite a big place, so I don't know where to start, where to finish. So I'm gonna just walk around and see what I can get. So I'm gonna go inside the mall a bit later on today. So let me just get the main Canary Wharf station. This is where the station is. You just walk from there. As you walk from there, you just come out. And as you can see, this is why they call it a financial capital of London, financial city of London. There's a kind of a river. I'm gonna go check that out there. I don't know whether you can swim in there. Yeah, there is a urban green. Wow, I know I'm coughing, but you can see there's a train going over there. That's a DLR train. So let's walk around that side. I'm pretty sure on the other side there are restaurants and bars and pubs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on that side to just quickly check what we can capture. I can see people are swimming. It looks like they are having a practice. For maybe Olympic, I don't know. So let's walk around this way and see what we can capture. This is quite a big, why do we call it financial capital city? Is because you have all the big banks and all the financial companies around here in this area. That's why they call it a financial. But it's not big as in New York. New York is kind of a very big and the world's biggest financial capital city. But this is kind of big for UK. They're building something here. I'm guessing those are apartments. It's probably apartments over there, and there you guys can play. Remember, you guys can see Shard over there. Maybe one day I'm going to take you guys to the Shard as well. You can have a quick peek. It's about 32 or 34 pounds to get on top of the Shard to see the 360-degree views. It's very expensive, to be honest with you. But yeah, it's just a one-time experience, so it's good. I just want to see what's going on here because I can see people are swimming. Maybe they are practicing for some kind of a, I'm not too sure how deep this is. It looks very deep. Doesn't look clean. And I'm sure it's very, very cold because UK is pretty cold. But it could be a good exercise. They're probably used to it. And I'm not too sure what this is. This is European Bank again. As you can see, I don't know whether you guys can see it, so the European Bank there. And this is like, look at this. So I'm going to just do one like this. Maybe it looks like an apartment, and you have gym there on the top. I don't know if you guys can see. That's a gym over there. That's a gym. I'm guessing. Yeah, other people can walk from here. I said it is going to rain, so yeah. I'm going to just take a quick peek like this. So as you can see, this is why it's called a financial capital of London, because all the big banks and big firms all around this area. That's why it's called a financial capital of London, basically. Let me take a quick picture of this one, which I've never seen it before. It's like a globe over there, I think. It could be a restaurant here. So I also seen some kind of a park. So I'm gonna go and have a quick look with that if I can find that. As you can see, look here. ducks swimming. It's quite. So I'm gonna go this way. I'll take a walk on this side. Maybe I'll walk this way. Even though it's quite big, because today is Sunday, everything is closed. So you can see here, this is a very beautiful building over here. Let me quickly turn around the other side. Super healthy. Well, assuming maybe they are very practicing open water. Mackenzie Walk. There's Amerigo Vespucci. At the restaurant here. Yeah. I don't know what this is. Maybe you can pay and do exercises here. Go and check that out over there. Assuming in the night it will be better, because with the lights and all that, during the daytime it's not that doesn't look that great. I think I should be coming in the night, during night time. So this is almost my restaurant around this area. And as you can see here, another restaurant over here. And all over this place is basically kind of people sitting and eating food. Don't know, there's not much in there. So maybe I will go to a different place from here. punching them like a Hulk. Maybe that's another one. Like we have much to see, but I'm gonna go and look for that park this is 6 Nico, another restaurant here. So yeah, free cash. Oh, this just again leads you to the Canary Wharf station. So I don't want to go to the station right now, so I want to go that side and see what I can find. And if nothing interesting, then probably will go to maybe Ho2. It's me again. Kind of a quick walk, it's not that much of a bigger deal here. And this is a city bank here as well. People do sit. There's a lot of food takeaway shops around here. Let's get into the mall. I don't know where the mall is. Maybe let's go to that. Let's say there's a park here. Let's go to that. Again, we have come back to the same spot where we started. I don't know what's in here. People are. Oh yeah, that's them. So this is kind of a festival too. Okay, where is the Jubilee Park? Mackenzie Road. But that is Canada Park water, so Jubilee Park will be.
Like how you try to work out exactly, because
yeah, it is, isn't it?
I know there's something on. I have. If you scan here, it tells you. So
is
there's
it?
something on here from 3 to 4.
Okay.
But you're then trying to figure out.
I know. I'm thinking. Okay, Canada Park. That's that one.
Is that one?
That's. I think so. So I'm just recording for my YouTube. So.
Okay. Fair enough. Yeah.
So I'm thinking this is somewhere here.
I've been here before, but I didn't come from this side. Do you know what you had to like catch your bearings?
Yeah.
But yeah, there's something on from 3 to 4.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's all right.
But let's go inside the shopping mall and check out Canary Wharf shopping mall. Let's go. So I'm guessing this is the entrance to the mall. So I'm guessing this is the entrance to the mall. Let's go and check what's in there. I'm hungry as well, so I might have something to eat and also do a little bit of a food vlog. We got some nice foods around here. You got rice guys, as you can see here. Rice guys, you have pork, chicken combo, NSC style chicken $9.95. I don't know what they are. So they have Rudy's, All these jerk chicken, yada yada yada. So it's Boston wings. Looks delicious, so we'll have a look. Maybe let's go falafel. As you can see, it's full of. It's empty now. And also you have pastas, so that you guys can see the grease, tagliatelle, ravioli. So a lot of pastas there, sorry. So let's go inside the mall. I think it's a mall. Oh, it's just the station. What is it? Kind of place. Yeah, I think it's a mall. So let's see what's in there. It's called One Canada Square. It looks like one Stratford Place. So you have here Carbor Place, Canary Wharf, Canada Place, Churchill Place, Gloucester Place. Oh, I don't know what it is. I'm guessing it's okay. Don't know. To be honest with you, but let's go and see. Well, let's turn into Cardboard Place first. So this is Cardboard Place. You can see you have some shops. It's like, I don't know what it's like. It's probably underground tunnel which joins the main roads, I guess. This is called Cardboard Place. Maybe this is a shopping mall inside. Let's go and have a check it out. We have a posh Greg's here. And you have Pret and sushi. I know you ever guy tried sushi. This is something I really hate. It's not really, it's a decent price. 18 says that 18,745, 895, and you have. No, I don't like sushi, to be honest with you. And it looks like a 3 floors. Okay. We got our work cut out. Maybe we can do some videos around here. Let's see. So I'm gonna go down this road and come back, and I'm gonna just go up there. And you have walk.
Yes, it is actually.
And you have Coach, which you got 50% sale on it. Only it says a selected item. They are clever. They put sale. They put selected items, so just to attract the people coming. You got Roland, your Kate Spade, you got Joe Malone, Pandora's there, and Harlequins. Yeah, I've never heard of this shop. Crockett and John's. Never heard of that. This is the first time I'm coming here, so it's alright. I don't think I'm gonna come back. Yeah, it's the first time I'm coming here. Tom Davis. Or this guys maybe. So it looks like a buns from home. Yeah, this foods are interesting, isn't it? I don't know how much, cinnamon. But we have Costa coffee here. I don't know, guys. Probably takes us to the upper floor, so let's go. Into the walking around there. This is Canada Place. Oh, this is where I entered. Go down, go back up. Calvin Klein. So we have cake shops on it. Wow, looks yummy. Nothing like Thai, and then we have something spicy. So let's go up. I don't know, it's the first time I've been here. So you can see that's the sushi shop that we went earlier on. There's a Paul Smith. Oh, wow. Look at this car. Automatic. $74,000. There's another one there, black color, which is really good. So that's 127,000. Wow, that's too. And look at this. This is. It looks like Super Jaguar. I wonder how much this is. There's a mall over there. Let's go and check out the mall. Hey guys, I do apologize. I picked the wrong day to go and do a vlog because it's raining. It is raining, so probably I'll do a night one. Night video very soon because daytime doesn't look really interesting. Plus it's raining today, as you can see. Weather is pretty bad. So I'm gonna end my vlog here and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.